Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Jeep Wrangler tail light. First, gather your essential tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely with the engine off. It's also a good idea to wear gloves to keep the new bulb clean and protect your hands during the process. Now, let's remove the tail light assembly. You'll find two screws on the inside edge of the tail light housing. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully loosen and remove both of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back. It should detach easily from the vehicle body. With the tail light assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Identify the specific bulb that is burnt out. Gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Be sure to handle the new bulb by its base to avoid touching the glass. Finally, let's put everything back together. Insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated firmly. Twist the socket clockwise to lock it into the tail light housing. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly back onto your Jeep and reinsert the two screws. Don't forget to test the new tail light by turning on your vehicle's lights to confirm it works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.